Let's talk about something that is fundamentally reshaping the world of software development, and that something is, of course, artificial intelligence. The actual definition of what it means to be a developer is being rewritten right before our eyes. It's not so much about writing code line by line anymore, it's becoming something much, much bigger.
So, before we dive in, just a quick heads up. What we're doing here is outlining how jobs in a typical IT department are going to change as companies bring on more AI. We'll also pinpoint some of the key skills you'll need to get ready for it. Now, all this is based on a super detailed report from Virtualization Options LLC, and, we can only scratch the surface here, but we're going to hit all the big points.
Okay, to really get a sense of how big this change is, let's start with a number that, if you're a developer, you will feel in your bones: 30 to 50%. That's how much of your time can be spent just on debugging, just hunting down those tiny, maddening little errors. It's a massive drag on productivity, and it's one of the very first things AI is set to completely overhaul.
To really appreciate where we're going, we first have to get a solid handle on where we've been. So let's set a baseline. Let's talk about the traditional role of a developer, because, let's be honest, it's always been way more than just typing code into a screen. If you look at a developer's typical day, it's pretty revealing. You might think it's all about writing code, but look at how small that slice of the pie actually is. It's just one piece of a much bigger puzzle. A huge amount of the day gets eaten up by meetings, by code reviews, and of course, there it is again, that massive chunk for debugging.
So the key thing to remember is that the job has always been about more than one thing. It's this blend of really deep technical work, like designing system architecture, but also intense problem solving. And of course, all the human skills, the collaboration and communication. It's this never-ending cycle of building, testing, fixing, and always learning.
And this is where it all starts to change. This is the exciting part. See, AI isn't showing up as a replacement for developers, it's arriving as a collaborator. A really, really powerful one. You gotta start thinking of it as your new co-pilot. And the source material we're drawing from puts this perfectly. It says that our development tools are changing from being passive instruments into active collaborators. Think about that for a second. Your IDE, your debugger, your entire toolkit is becoming a partner that suggests, fixes, and builds right there with you.
And you can see that difference right here. On the left, that's the old world, wrestling with syntax, writing every little thing from scratch, and spending hours hunting for answers online. And on the right, that's the new reality. Your main job isn't typing, it's guiding. You're reviewing what the AI suggests, you're validating its output, and you get to spend your brainpower on the big stuff, the high-level logic and design.
So what does this actually look like day to day? You sit down at your desk on a Tuesday morning, what's actually different? Let's break down what a developer's new day is really all about.
I love this chart because it shows what we could call the great reallocation of time. The hours you used to spend on manual coding and debugging, they drop. A lot. But that time doesn't just disappear. No, it gets reinvested into much higher value work. It shifts to the things where human insight is absolutely critical, like high-level architecture and, you guessed it, collaborating with an AI.
And you can really see this change when you look at something as basic as problem solving. It's a total flip. Before, it was all about implementation. How do I build this thing? Now, the main challenge is validation. Your first most important job is to define the problem so clearly that an AI can get it. Then, your job is to critically review the options it gives you and pick the best one.
This brings on a whole new set of responsibilities, and it all falls under this idea of oversight. You're shifting from just using a tool to managing an intelligent system. That means you've got to pick the right AI models, you have to get really good at crafting prompts, you absolutely have to validate the code it produces, and you have to be that human guardrail for things like security and ethics.
So, all of this leads us to the most important question, right? With the job changing this much, what are the skills that matter most? How do you actually get ready for this new AI-powered future?
Well, right at the top of the list is a new skill called prompt engineering. Think of it as the art of having a really effective conversation with an AI. It's about knowing exactly how to ask the right question in the right way to get the code you want. It's this fascinating new skill that blends clear communication with deep domain knowledge. But here's the interesting paradox. As AI handles more of the code, the uniquely human skills become your most valuable asset. An AI can't feel empathy for a frustrated user. It can't make a tough judgment call about the ethical impact of a system. And it certainly can't translate a vague business goal into a smart technical strategy.
In this new world, those human skills are what will truly set you apart.
So the big idea here isn't that developers are becoming obsolete. It's that the role is being elevated. The job is becoming more strategic, more creative, and more focused on solving real human problems. The role is changing. There is absolutely no doubt about that. The only question left is, are you ready to lead the conversation?